Hey guys, this is the channel Random Minecraft Stuff and More, back with another CFM video. I present to you Quorum Estate, 52 inches, 3 of 6. Sorry for the talking in the background. I just had to close the door so you guys won't hear it. I just closed the door in the video. It is in a bedroom at my aunt's mansion. It was put into the house after it was built in 2005, and the light kit was bought separately, just like all the other fans. And now we'll do the light, and here is low. Yeah, sorry for that background talking. I'll just need to do something about that. So my other aunt who doesn't live here. So yeah. So this is low. We'll bump it up to medium. I need to climb on the bottom bunk bed to get to it. I just had to hold on, pull the chain because it wobbles a lot on high. It's a mounting hardware that holds the down rod set screw. So this is medium. Was some decent air, and we'll put it up to high. Sorry if I show the window. Oh my gosh, that wobbles a lot on high. That gives me a heart attack. Well, what the heck. It does blow a good amount of air even though there's a lot of wobble. It doesn't have a bad capacitor like all the other fans. Oh no. It's on medium. Okay. I'm gonna leave it on. So, thanks for watching the channel Random Minecraft Stuff and More.